Alright? So, let's do another example right now. 2/3 x is going to be equal to 8. Now, this might not be one we can guess in our heads, but it's the same steps as always. What's the number that's connected to x? It's going to be what? 2/3 by multiplication. So if it's 2/3 x is equal to 8, what's the reciprocal of 2/3? The reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. So that's what we multiply by. So now we have 3/2. Right? Multiplying everything over, we're going to get 6/6x. 3 times 2 gave us 6 and 2 times 3 gave us 6 is going to be equal to, now this is really 8/1 times 3/2. So 8 times 3 is 24, right? 1 times 2 is 2. Then we move on. Any number over itself is 1. So we got 1x is equal to 24/2, which is equal to 12. Anytime we got 1x, it's the same thing as x by itself. So x is equal to 12. Nice, right? Let's try one more example like that. So let's say we got -3/4. X is equal to 9. Alright? And we want to solve for x. So what are we thinking now? We want to multiply -3/4. We got a negative sign in the mix. Is multiplied by the x. So it's the same thing. You want to multiply by the reciprocal, right? What's the reciprocal of -3/4? -4/3. Keep that same negative sign. Got it? Multiplied on both sides, as you can see right here and right here, right? So when we're doing our multiplication, now I just do -4 times -3 all over 3 times 4. X is equal to 9/1 times -4/3. Notice I just brought my negative sign on top because you're gonna have negative sign either on the top and the bottom, but either way it wouldn't matter. So just for making it easy, let's all just bring it to the top. Okay, so doing the multiplication, negative times a negative gives us a positive. So we got +12 all over 3 times 4, which is 12. So we got 12/12x is going to be equal to 9 times -4 is going to give us -36 all over 1 times 3, which is 3. So 12/12 is going to be equal to 1, of course. So we got 1x is equal to -36 divided by 3 is actually equal to -12.